Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best magnetic wristbands.
I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we all have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 10, we have the Magno Grip 311-090 magnetic wristband. The Magno Grip 311-090 comes with a strong embedded super strong magnet that picks up lost screws, scissors, and all the small metal tools that you drop when working. This is your ultimate partner to use as a helping hand whenever you are working. This magnetic wristband is made of durable and strong 1680D ballistic polyester that offers comfort whenever you have it around your wrist and working. It is made in a single size which is elastic to fit all and suitable for home improvement, woodworking, metalworking, DIY, and many more jobs. Moving on at number 9, we have the Vastar magnetic wristband. The Vastar magnetic wristband is a handy tool that is embedded with 5 strong magnets that keep nails and screws at your disposal every second. The magnets are very strong and increase the surface area for holding your nails and tools. It is made of 100% 1680D ballistic polyester, which is high-quality material for excellent work. It is durable to serve you for long, lightweight, practical, comes with an adjustable fastener to keep it in position. It is suitable for home improvements, woodworking, DIY, and any other metalwork job. It is strong and won't let your tools fall off. At number 8, we have the HORUSDY magnetic wristband. The Swimax is the ideal magnetic wristband that is embedded with very strong neodymium magnets. The magnets surround almost the entire wrist to increase the surface area for holding drill bits, bolts, nails, washers, screws. The wristband is made high-quality breathable mesh material. It's lightweight to have it on your wrist the entire day. It is the perfect tool to use in carpentry, construction, home improvement, and many more. It can be the perfect gift for your friends and relatives involved in such type of jobs. At number 7, we have the Danceless Doubles Super Magnetic Wristband. The Danceless Doubles is a reliable wristband made of very strong, durable and breathable fabric that provides the answer to any working environment. It's an ANART that fits perfectly into your wrist and holds the screws, nails, and prevents them from falling and causing loses. The magnets are very strong to hold as many screws, bolts and nails as possible, never letting any loose. It is a perfect gift for everyone in construction and those who love the handy job. It works best when holding one large tool that holds screws and nails all together. At number 6, we have the GOOACC magnetic wristband. The GOOACC magnetic wristband is made with 15 strong powerful magnets, which makes it even more stronger to hold metal tools. The wristband is available in 15 inches long and 3.5 inch but can be easily adjusted by Velcro to fit any wrists from 4 inch to 14.5 inch. This wrist provides excellent and perfect tool to hold your meat tools when working in auto repair, carpenter, construction, home improvement, and any other metal work. It is very strong and durable to serve you for, and it's a perfect gift for fathers, handyman, boys, men, and women. At number 5, we have the Wisla magnetic wristband. The Wisla magnetic wristband is an exclusive equipment that comes in 2 unique sets which include 2 big and small wristbands for everyone to get the perfect one. They are both adjustable so that they can fit any size wrist. Made of very strong material to serve you for long and hold many tools as possible. These wrists are equipped with excellent and strong magnets to hold all your small metal tools safely while working. The wrists can securely hold nails, pins, drill bits, bolts, small metal parts, and any other metal objects and tools that you are using. It's a perfect gift for men and women who have a gift in handiwork. At number 4, we have the Hodman Tools magnetic wristband. The Hodman Tools magnetic wristband is made of durable and excellent polyester that makes it comfortable on your hands. Very strong neodymium magnets are sewn inside to provide a third helping hand to hold all your small metal equipment and tools. It's an efficient time saver as you don't have to put nails or hold them in the mouth anymore. It comes in one size that fits all, as it can be easily adjusted using the Velcro strap that fixes the magnetic wristband onto your hands. It's perfect for carpenters, handyman, constructors and anybody else. It can hold all your nails, pins, washers, bolts, needles, drill bits in construction, carpentry, auto repair and many more. At number 3, we have the KitKlin Magnet Wristband. The KitKlin Magnet Wristband is made of excellent and durable 1680D ballistic polyester, which is light, practical, and water-resistant, making it the ideal wristband to use in any environment. It is embedded with 5 super strong magnets that hold all your pins, bolts, nails and screws in reachable position while working. The wristband comes in a unisex design to fit men and women. It also comes with an adjustable fastener, which makes it perfect for use in construction, carpentry, home improvement, engineering, repairs, woodworking, sewing, and any DIY projects. At number 2, we have the Rack Magnetic Wristband. Rack Magnetic Wristband is a perfect equipment that is embedded with very strong 10 magnets that surround almost all the entire wrist to save your time by providing a third hand when doing your tasks. With this wristband, you don't have to pocket the sharp nails in your pocket or hold them in the mouth. It is adjustable to fit all size and suitable for use in carpentry, construction, engineering, home improvement, plumbing, DIY projects, and any repairs. It is suitable for holding nails, washers, bolts, drill bits. It is the perfect gift for men, women, fathers, handyman and anyone who likes handiwork. And finally, at number 1, we have the magnetic wristband for holding tools and screws. This is a brilliant magnetic wristband for all your needs. It comes embedded with ultra-strong magnets that provide a firm grip to your nails and screws for easy access. It provides the comfort of a customized Go Handyman's adjustable straps that makes it perfect to fit into any wrist size and enjoy the efficiency of keeping your equipment together. The wristband provides efficiency to constructors, carpenters, handyman, repair industry, plumbing, engineering, woodworking, DIY projects, and many more. It helps you to save time by having everything at your fingertips, from nails, screws, wrenches, bolts, drill bits, and any other tool you need while working.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.